Welcome rear E, Panasonic Generation 2 car. A lot of small pieces on that, really quite tricky to do at the end, especially where you've got single dot pieces. They do float and spin, so you know, to do it properly you've got to spend your time just to align them up. And there's a certain amount of trust in these models. Right towards the end, this front wing was very delicate, kept pinging off. At that point you then put the wheel arches on which hold it in place, so obviously it's not as robust as the other ones that I've done just because of the nature of the car. A lot of stickers, but they're very subtle down the sides, on the top, and on the wing here at the back. So all in all, good for, I love the blue. Blue's fantastic. Do like the little halo as well, keeping up with modern racing cars. 5 spares in the second half along with the 4 from the first half, and the usual visor and spanner and wheel trims. I still think that's quite generous for a kit like this. So yeah, Formula E Generation 2 Panasonic Racer. Should look good next to the other one, the I-Pace, when I do that both together. And obviously I've worked out that checkers stickers are obviously for the gantry over the top, aren't they? Driver, well, what can you say? All these singers like to go racing. It's Ed Sheeran, isn't it? So come on, Ed, do your stuff for the Panasonic electronic team. And they do have some weird faces, you know, he looks quite sinister really. But old Charlie's thing is to put the hair in with the spares, keep him as a driver. Not sure if he fits in, it's quite tight this. Up with the halo. Get in there lad, come on. And off he goes. Next one. I-Pace, a bit more robust. These are going to look really good side by side. Alright, catch you soon.